Y'all, I stayed up till 2 o'clock in the morning playing Sims.
When I leave the house, I have to flick the lights 3 times before I leave because
Alright, y'all. I cleaned up the snack area. Yes. Of course, it's my left to you.
Smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning.
Good morning, y'all. Happy Sunday. Y'all, I stayed up till 2 o'clock in the morning playing Sims. Okay? I'm not 14, 15 years old anymore. But I stayed up till 2 o'clock in the morning playing Sims. So anyways, I'm going to make me some coffee. And sit back down and play some more Sims. With me having a whole nother week as a break. I ain't really got nothing to do. Because laundry's done. I am gonna throw something on for dinner today. And yeah, I'm gonna go from there. It is definitely time to wash this, blow dry it, and do something with it again. Now that, I feel 100% back to myself. I never wash my hair while I'm sick because I'm just afraid it might make me even more sicker. So that's the plan for today. The crazy part is that this is like an older computer to HP, and this is the only computer that I have that will allow me to play Sims. And once I'm on it, Like, it's just that, yeah. So let me show y'all the characters that I came up with. I did create pets, but then I was scared that my person was going to end up with a baby. So I gave the pet away. The thing with me and breakfast food is like it's a hassle in the mornings because you don't want to keep making eggs. You don't want to, keep making things that you don't. Yeah, so really the only thing I have is like eggs. I do have 2 things of chicken and minis. I have pumpkin waffles. Matter of fact, I just realized I got these from Walmart Friday. Bacon, egg, and cheese croissants. Oh, yeah. I'll be making that. Like I said, it's just, I literally forget. And I'm not good with making breakfast food. Because clearly I could be prepping up some egg whites. I could be, doing some stuff like that. But as you guys see, yeah, so I definitely want to get back on my meal prep game this year and find out some new, like, overnight oats, some different things to do with eggs, how to make different sandwiches, and prep ahead of time for, the week. That way, I'm not spending $5-6 on 4, and, of course, it's not just me eating them.
when I leave the house, I have to flick the lights 3 times before I leave because
Hey y'all, I haven't vlogged today. I really said that I was gonna just give it a break because I have so many vlogs up and ready and loaded, and I didn't really want to, put stuff out and then not have much views. So what I'm gonna do today, like I said, is just take a break, edit some shorts that can be scheduled, and then, work on getting content off of my camera, my phone, and I am just simply gonna relax and chill today. I am making cube steak in the crock pot with the gravy and then some butter noodles, and I mean, I have some things that I can clean up around here, but all of the decor Christmas-wise is gone. I am so looking forward to 2026 because 2025 was really good to me. In 2025, if you guys have seen my short over on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, you guys will know that I got to do whatever I wanted to do. I got to explore, I got to adventure and be myself more. So in 2025, I was blessed to see snow in the beginning as far as January and at the end in December. Tried a New Orleans style restaurant, Rue, and fell in love with shrimp and grits. Explored more on our annual family trip to Baltimore. Made new memories with coworkers and friends and family. And my youngest graduated from elementary school. She's been there since she was in pre-K. Explored on our annual trip to Myrtle Beach for the third family vacation. Adventured 1.5 hours away to see Nelly free, thanks to my amazing friend for winning tickets at Teacher's Night Out. Visited the first ever Buc-ee's in Virginia. Returned back to teaching 7 years this year. In kindergarten for the 3rd year, and went to almost every University of Virginia football game, either free or cheap tickets, and had a blast every single time. Embraced the fall season with sweets, pumpkin spice, and everything nice. Started reading books this year and became a sour grape for Halloween because of a great children's author, Joy John. Ate like a dog at another blessed Thanksgiving and ended my year decorating for Christmas, counting down to Christmas break with coworkers and students getting sick. The weekend, we headed into winter break. Finished reading my first book, The Housemaid, and went to go see the movie with my favorite kindergarten team and enjoyed my Christmas with my family. See you all in 2026. Hope it's a good year for you. Hope it's as good to me like this year was. So with that being said, now I can say that after Christmas, I finally finished my itinerary for Pigeon Forge in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. So we're looking forward to doing that in April for spring break. I now have to plan out my other week-long trip because, you know, your girl wants to explore. And I not only want to go back to Myrtle Beach, but I also want to go down to Charleston, Foley Beach, Island of Palms. I also want to go to Sullivan's Island, and I also want to go to Tybee Island. So, you know, your girl has to plan all of that. So next year for Christmas, I think we're going to try something a little different. The kids are older, and I think that they would benefit from, you know, being able to travel and doing something outside of the home for Christmas. So I don't know if it's going to be Tennessee again for Christmas, you know, just to see what it would be like at Christmas time. Whether we get the option to go down to Disney, because I'm tired of seeing everybody else on my timeline going to Disney, and I'm not. And I'm not sure, you know, like what to do, where to go. So leave me some ideas down below. All right, y'all, I cleaned up the snack area, put the kids' cups over there, cleaned mine up a little bit, and you know, just made it look neat. Went through my cabinet and moved this from up there to make it look a little bit neater, and to go through stuff and to figure out, you know, what kits were trash. I also cleaned this up over here. This is my 3-tier stand. I got rid of some juice cups, and then you know, kind of put like my reusable bags down here. Went through my lunch bags to see if anything needed to go, and then down here I just organized the cereal and then the food warmers and then anything to do with baking. Finally cleaned off my counter. My counter has looked a mess ever since I decorated for fall. So literally nothing other than ramen noodle containers, and then my little Ariel cup here. That way there was more room over there.
I went through all my cups. If I had a duplicate of my Cavalier cups, I threw them away. And then cups to like businesses that closed or whatever had to go. Last to do is just the actual dishes. Food is still going. As y'all can see here, definitely still going. I did paint my nails a little bit. Not that it's gonna stay, but yeah. And then I'm just gathering up all the trash out of here. Going from there. Hey y'all, it's a new day. I haven't even vlogged much today. I've done my daughter's hair, or at least started that process. I, finished up my medicine ball this morning and been playing Sims, watching videos on Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge. I know, some people be like, why would you watch somebody else's experience? And that's the thing, you're watching somebody else's experience because you don't want to miss out on the experience. So, felt like my camera was dirty. So, it's like you're trying to learn from where to park, what to do, blah, blah, blah. Even though mine is finished, I just have to print it off when I get back to work. But I just made some corn dogs and need to fold a thing of laundry. Dinner is, I don't even know, because dishes are washed, dishes are put away, and I really don't feel like fixing nothing to make a bunch of mess, but we're gonna figure it out. Pinterest, here I come. So yeah, that's it, that's all. All right, y'all, so I'm heading out to go get us some dinner from Chick-fil-A. And Scott's like, Mom, I want some ice cream. So guess I'm gonna have to go to Dunkin' and Baskin Robbins as well. But that's gonna be first because I don't want my french fries getting cold. How come when I see your name on my live stream, I already know what it means? Of course, it's my luck to get caught by this darn train on the way home. But anyways, y'all, the end of the evening is coming up. In the morning, the kids have a 8 o'clock dentist appointment, both of them. So I will catch you guys after that appointment, because honestly, I gotta get up and take Charles, then I gotta come back home and then go back up there. Like, it's a whole shindig, y'all. It's a whole shindig. But I went and got me a strawberry milkshake, nuggets and fries. Charles got a spicy chicken sandwich fries, and then they didn't have any carbonated drinks apparently at the moment, so I just ended up getting a lemonade. And I got the kids their ice cream. I got me some ice cream. Mine is like icing on the cake. We'll see if that's any good, but yeah. I'll catch up with y'all.
In the morning,